Hello everyone, this is Miss Bagulambas from Mishi Arts, and today I am here with another review of the product of Oriflame Nature Secret Talc, and the fragrance is Cooling Breeze. It's 400 grams, and as you know what is the talcum powder used for, so it is very smooth and good to use. You can use it externally anywhere you like, and this is its texture, and you can see. I can tell you the fragrance is so good and so amazing. You can see made in India, Oriflame Cosmetics. Now I'm going to show you from the front, and it's quite big and lasts longer. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Have a great day.